So this is going to be a room review of the Fontainebleau Queen. So they have a couple of levels. You have the blue, gold, platinum, junior suite, and it goes up from there. So the blue, is the base room that you can get. The king, I believe, is 488 square feet. The queen is 494 square feet. So I'm going to start off in the lobby. We first walk in. You have some controls for your room, your lights. You got your do not disturb. You want the room to be serviced, and your curtain control when you first walk in. So to your left, you have a huge full body mirror with two little things you can hang your coat or wherever you want to hang up on. As we walk into the bathroom, to the right, you have a pretty deep tub. You have a magnified mirror. You have a huge vanity. You have a long sink with, I guess, his and her faucets. As we move down, you have your hair dryer, towels, plug in your glasses. They give you soap, more towels, some lotion, shower cap. This is probably Q-tips. Yeah, Q-tips, another plug in. So a thing I like about the vanity, you can control the light from here. So this is off. You control the brightness. So you want it halfway bright, or you can turn it all the way up. So then we move over through this door. You have your toilet. Then you have a single person shower. Your fan, night light, all on, all off. So as we move into the main part of the room, to your left you have a door to your adjacent room, or to a adjacent room. You have a closet. You got your luggage rack, one robe, some slippers, your laundry bag. You have a steamer up top, and your in-room safe. So as we move over, have your TV, your goodie collection, which costs you an arm and a leg, your ice cups, or your ice container with a plug-in at a USB-A to USB-C, a lamp. As we move down, you have the fully stocked fridge, which, like I said, they will charge you an arm and a leg if you touch this. If we move to the next one, pull this out. You have glasses, little bottle openers, stir, some napkins. And then they give you a pretty good size personal refrigerator. You got your drawers. So we move back over here. You have another plug-in. Over here, you got the two queen beds with some ambient lighting along the headrest or the headboard. You have basically the whole back wall is nothing but a huge mirror. You have a lamp. I do like how you have your plug-ins close to your bed, so you can charge your phone up or whatever close by instead of having them all the way across the room. But you have two plug-ins, you have two USB-A, USB-C. Go ahead and open the curtains. You can control all the room lighting from the bed. You get your phone, pen and paper, your other outlet. On the other side of the bed, you have another outlet. This is your climate control. You have another lamp with USB-A and USB-C plug-ins at the base and a regular plug-in. And you have a table with 2 chairs. So this basically gives you all your information that you need for the hotel on this bow tie looking thing. So if you don't know about Fontainebleau, bow ties is the theme of their whole hotel. They have bow ties everywhere in the hotel. So now to the view. So like I said, this is the base room that you can get. This is on the 3rd floor. So, I mean, I guess you can say this is a strip view. You have the Strat, and that's it. So a little bit later tonight, I'm going to get the black light test out and see how clean this room is. I mean, it should be pretty much clean. This hotel opened about 4 months ago. So I will check with you guys later on tonight. Okay, we got the black light. Let's go to the bathroom. So far the sink is good. Here's some spots on the floor around the bathroom. Shower is good. Tub is good. The bed is good. So overall, they're passing. So they passed.